Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add text in your video in Canva. First of all, I presume you already started with your project and the video you really like is already created and you just need to add the text there. As you can see, I already picked mine. It's 11 seconds long, made from already created one that I downloaded. And if you want to add text, we really want to go to the left side and go for texts. We press the text and there is already some made up stuff for us. If you want to just continue or tweak it a bit, let's go with happy birthday. And as you can see, it's already popped up. We can play with it. We can use different way how it's wrote, like happy birthday, oh sorry, like this. You can make it glow, you can increase the height or the thickness, change the color, so it's up to you. It's a very easy way how to do that. Also you can see the preview and so on. So this is very easy and basic way how to add text there. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.